What's up guys, in this video I want to show you how to get 3000 tokens on Blooket for free. This tutorial is work on any device, Android, iOS, computers. Just open a new tab and search www.GoTokensPro. As you can see, GoTokensPro, enter, and this is the site. Remember, GoTokensPro. As you can see, tokens events offer 3000 tokens for free. You need Blooket username. My Blooket username is Albert, as you can see. Now I enter my username here. Good, I enter my username, and now I press this button. Don't close or refresh the page, generating is running. Now you need to wait to loading this page. And this is status website status. This is recent activity. And this is rules. This is people voting. You can vote yes or no. It's work for you. And this is people comments. You can add the comments here. Add the comments. Now you need wait to loading this page, and it's very easy to use. Just put your name. As you can see, successful. Now you can see Albert connected, extracting, completed, ready, finished. You don't like a robot, please verify that you are a human. Click to verify button below and follow the instruction. Now you need to verify now, and now you need to survey human verification survey. Just complete one of these offers survey. I complete this. You need download and run Opera GX. Now I download. I press this button to download, and now I wait to download, and I will come back. Good, I open Opera GX, and now you need to open YouTube on and or etc. to run. Good. Now you can close this Opera, this browser, and now you need to return on Blooket page. And now, as you can see, congratulations, you received 3000 tokens, event tokens. Now I have 3000 tokens in my Blooket account. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.